Okay, y'all. Hi. So, we spent a first day at Disney today, and
it was so magical.
Tell them all about it, Brittany.
We did a lot of stuff, but the most exciting part was that I got to hug Mickey Mouse.
Sure. And then we did a lot
and
of
she
things.
hugged Mickey Mouse, too.
I hugged Mickey Mouse, and I was nervous as crap.
But it was so fun!
She's a camera hog. Anyway. Yeah, it was really awesome. I'm really tired, so sorry I sound enthusiastic, but I'm tired. And I got a pin. I'm not going to show it to you because I'm too lazy to go get it, and my camera's charging. I got a pin. It says First Timer, and I got really cute Mickey ears, and I'm not going to show you either because I'm too tired to go get them.
Really close on your face.
It looks fun.
I'm just saying.
Shut up, Alex. You know what? I'm just going to end it here. I'll tell you about it tomorrow. Bye.
By the way, so you have a way to tell me to shut up.
I'm done talking, Alex. You jerk face. Oh, it's still going.